I just spent like a day trying to install Windows 7 in these ThinkPads Lenovo laptops that I got a bunch of them there laying around, and I just couldn't make it work. And I finally installed it on this other PC, and I have Windows 10 on that PC. Originally I had Windows 7, and finally I was able to install Windows 7 on it. It works better. Windows 10, I think the hard drive, I replaced the hard drive. It was not working fine. It was sluggish. So I put another hard drive and installed Windows 7, and it worked. Now I could install Arduino IDE on this computer, so I have it close to the machine here. But I was checking on the printer ports on that thing, and the voltages that come out of it are like minus 12 volts to plus 12 volts, and 5 volts to 3 volts, and several of the pins. And usually on a printer port should be from 0 to 5 volts. And I don't remember how I did it last time, and I don't want to risk messing up the computer here just to try to experiment with it, because I want to be able to just finish repairing this thing and put it in on the market, and maybe I can get more money that way. Because if I mess something up, like the board, misplacing one of the wires or shorting out one of the wires, then I'm gonna regret it. I did that on another machine in which I was experimenting to get a monitor conversion on it, and I messed up the converter, and then it cost me a lot of money. So this time I just don't want to risk it. I don't want to mess with it. I just want to get rid of it so I can clear the space here to have a little extra room. What I need to do, I just need to finish fixing the sensor, and then putting some glue onto the I need to hot melt glue onto the CRT there, so it'll be secure. So it's kind of disappointing. I spent a lot of time trying to figure out how to connect the pins, and then I finally got a sketch for the Arduino, but I cannot get the board to shoot me data from the board to the serial port. If I don't do that, then I won't be able to do it. So let's not do it. Okay, so I got the machine ready here. It's the Jeep 111. I got it together. I'm slightly disappointed because I didn't get to work on the printer. I mean, I did work on the printer, but it was too complicated, and my main objective is to get rid of it and free up the space for my main thing that I need to do here after everything is cleared up. So main thing is declutter the space. So I got this other project finished as far as I'm concerned. What happened is that to be able to do the serial printer conversion for it and not to use this dot matrix printer, I had to do some stuff that could have put in risk the health of this machine. And if I burn it or if I mess it up, then I'm gonna be stuck with it. So now that it's calibrated and it works and these sensors are good, might as well just let it go and just clear up the space, which was my main objective. But that's one of my problems, is that I get into a rabbit hole and then I can get out of it, and that's why the shop is like that. So so let's get rid of this machine. I'm gonna put it in the garage and I'll list it for sale, and maybe somebody will buy it. I don't know who might do that, but I did buy it. I did buy equipment like this, so it's gotta be another crazy guy that wants to do it, and maybe a younger guy that doesn't have the money to buy a brand new one. Anyway, so this is gonna be all for this video. I hope you join me here to just seeing the process of my decluttering of this space. I'm not doing it just like to clean up and get rid of the whole thing. I need to fix and then clean up at the same time, because I mean, that's my main thing. I don't want to let anything go broken. So thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, whatever, and I'll see you here in the next video. Bye.